In the heart of the night, where the forest whispers and the moonlight dances on the leaves, lives a ghost.
Small, silent, unseen by most eyes, yet feared by creatures.
This is the rusty spotted cat, the smallest wild cat on Earth. Weighing less than 2 pounds, she is lighter than a house cat's kitten.
But every step she takes is measured pain, calculated, silent.
Her world is one of senses. Every sound, she can hear the heartbeat of a frog beneath a leaf and smell a mouse from meters away. Where larger hunters cannot go, she thrives in hollow logs, stone crevices, and the forgotten corners of the forest.
She hunts alone, always alone. For in her world, solitude is safety.
Every rustle could be danger. Every call of a crow, a warning.
When she becomes a mother, her quiet world transforms.
Her kittens, no larger than a lime, are born blind and fragile.
Her devotion is silent, fierce, and endless, the same instinct that has carried her species for millions of years. She sleeps where no eye can see, a ghost at rest, a hunter waiting for dusk. She may be small, but her story is ancient. A whisper in the night, a shadow among leaves,